So welcome back to the second tutorial with microcontrollers. Today we're going to actually make the lights blink, turn on and off. I guess I'll have the lights turn half on, half off. So the first four are going to turn on, while the other remaining four are going to be off. Then once it switches, they're going to flip-flop. So in order to do that, actually I'm going to have them turn on all of them on, just to make sure they're on. To do that, we have to write a delay. So it's a function. In C, you actually have to write that above this to let the compiler know that this is a function that you wrote. And this delay, it's actually going to take an int. So and by the way, if you don't know much about C or C++, go in on YouTube and look it up. I actually recommend this guy called Bucky. I don't know him, no affiliation. So feel free to view his videos. He has a pretty cool playlist in a lot of languages, Java and C, which I prefer the Java and C tutorials he has on YouTube. So type in BUCKY and add C or C++ to it, and it has a playlist in it, and you can just take the very basics. So I'm just, without going through the whole thing, I'm gonna just write the code. I'm gonna say delay. You can name it whatever you want, and I'll put it in A. Make sure you put a semicolon after that, and at the end I'm gonna put the delay in here. Like this, so fix that there, and I'm gonna write the delay. So let me say I'm gonna actually create another. All right, we're up there. I'm gonna say B, and I'm gonna say down here B is equal to 0. I'm gonna say Y. B is not equal to A. Increment B, and that's our delay right there. And I'm gonna come up here and I'm gonna put that delay between this. I'm gonna call it delay, and let's say I'm gonna put in 250 for delay, and I'm gonna turn on the lights. So port A equals to 0 F 0. So that's going to turn on the lights, and I'm going to delay it again. Let's say 400. Yeah, sounds like a good number. Then I'm going to turn on the lights on the other side. How am I doing? And I'm going to delay it again. Just put a bunch of delays in there for maybe 100. So let me compile this in simulation. See if there are any errors. And actually said there were a couple of errors, but it's nothing to worry about. Probably sometimes acts up. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch it up to an studio monitor. So I'm gonna run it, and you can see what happens to it. It says it's not connected. Actually, it is connected, but since it's a student training board, it always has all this things wrong with it. So since the numbers are actually pretty large, I'm gonna just go ahead and run it. And you can see the light went on to that side and never came back on. So I'm gonna increase this to 25. Increase this to 4. 1000. And actually what I'm gonna go ahead and do is put a for loop up here, another for loop, so it will actually stay in here forever, and you have to see how that works. So I'm gonna run it. You know what? It is running so fast that you actually can't see it break it down. So I'm gonna go ahead and increase this to I'll say drop this to 1000, and yeah, I keep that at 10,000. Sometimes you need to play with it, especially when you're doing things like this. It's still running extremely fast. So actually, I'm gonna drop that down to 500. This to 9,000. 2. And if worse comes to worse, I'm gonna just go ahead and step through it so you guys can actually see what's going on. But you actually have to play with numbers there. Still the same thing. So you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and step it through it. I'm gonna put a 2 there. I'm gonna put a 3 there, and a 2 there. So this, I'm gonna run it, and I'm gonna step through it instead of like actually letting run, because this is like I'll have to play with numbers for you guys to see it. So I'm gonna step through it, and you see. Let me go ahead and wind this up. You can see here, over here, top left, we're stepping through it. So that would turn all the LEDs on, and it's going to go into the delay. It's going to increment to when it reaches 2, and drop back up. It's going to turn the other half, the left side of the LEDs on, and it's going to go down to the delay. What number did I put in there? It is not coming out of there. What did I put in there? Oh, I put in 30. So I guess you gotta do it 30 times. I should have I thought I put in 3, but it went out. So now I switch to the right side, and it's gonna go back down. It's gonna turn all of them on, and it's gonna switch all the way back up. So that's what's going on with this. So I had to step through it, and sorry, I'm just writing this off the fly here. So I have to let me see what I could do with this. Let me say, I think 9,000 or 9,000 might do the job. I'm not sure. But let's see. Say 20,000 there. But basically, you get the concept of what I'm trying to do here. Let's see. Now it's going so fast that it doesn't really make sense. So I'm gonna go ahead and close that one more time and play with the numbers. I'm gonna say 90 over here. Ooh, that's pretty fast too. I hate this. I hate this. I hate this. Okay, 30. 30,000. Still the same thing. Oh, 50 there. It doesn't work. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and double this. I'm gonna go ahead and double this delay. Copy it. I'm gonna double the delay right there. And Let's see. You see, it's kind of like blinking left and right, blinking, but so fast that you actually can't really see it actually stop. But that's what's happening in there. Let me go ahead and add. Turns on there, turns on over here. I'm gonna add one more down here, and hopefully this will actually make it stay for a little bit longer, so you actually see it turn half of it off and half of it. See, it's turned left and right, turn. So that's what it is. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.